Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to find Cronbach Alpha of your data. So Cronbach Alpha is just the internal consistency of your data. So first of all, you should have your data coded in an Excel file like this. So and then in the second step, you should have this Excel file opened in SPSS. So I have already opened it, but you can open it by going to this file option, click this file option. Beneath it, click open, open data, and, and this effect of key devices and open and this like this. So after opening Excel file in SPSS, you can see that on the top row in this top bar you can see this analyze option. Go to this analyze option and then scale. Scale, and at the top you will find reliability analysis. Click on it. Now this will show you all of the items of your variables like insomnia. In my thesis, I have 7 items of insomnia. So I have named them IN1, IN2, IN3, and so on. So till IN7. So these 7 items are of insomnia, a variable. So you will just have to select all of them and place it in this box, on this right box. So to select all of them, just click on the first one, then press Shift, and while keep pressing Shift, and then press the last one, and all of them will be selected. Now release the Shift button and click this arrow key. Now by clicking this arrow key, all of your items will be shifted toward that right box, and it will be removed from this left box. So by doing that, go to this statistics option. Now it will provide you multiple options. You can pick them as per your need, but for generally we pick the first three items, scale and scale if item deleted. They are very important. Scale if item deleted is also very important because it will tell you the overall Cronbach alpha if a certain item in a certain variable is deleted. You can click correlation and covariance, but that is not needed as for now. Mean, variance, and correlation, you can also take them. They can be helpful. And on this side, F test and chi square, uh, you can take them if you want and if you know what you are doing. But generally, we don't mention that. And then just click OK. Sorry, continue, and the rest of the setting is just as it is. Don't change any of them unless you know what you are doing. But generally, you don't change any of the settings. And then just click OK, and it will provide you a summary like this. In the first box, it will just tell you this general summary, the number of items and their percentages, etc. Nothing just too special. So beneath that box, this is your main answer. This is your reliability statistics. So we can see that Cronbach alpha is 0.835. Uh, we always remember that the Cronbach alpha is the internal consistency of your data. So generally, acceptable range is between zero point 0.7 to 0.85. So it should be around here. So mine is 0.835 and it is okay. And beneath it, you can see item statistics. It will just tell you mean, standard deviations, and number of items. You can mention them in your thesis. At some places it is required and some it is not. It is as per your requirement. And beneath it, summary item statistics. And if you go beneath these item total statistics, you can see in the end that Cronbach alpha if item deleted. This says that if a certain item is deleted, what will be the Cronbach alpha after deleting that item? Let's suppose that I delete my first item of my of this variable, insomnia variable in1. I delete in1 item. So the Cronbach alpha after deleting in1 will be 0.798. Yeah, you can see it here. And if I don't delete in1, but I delete in2, so my Cronbach alpha will be 0.824. And if I similarly, if I delete item number 3, so my will be 0.833. So it just simply says that if you delete any item of this variable, the Cronbach alpha will change accordingly, as it is mentioned here. So this is how you interpret your results, or at least generally this is how you interpret your results. So to extract this data, just copy all of it. Just press Control A. All of them will be selected, and Control C, and all of these will be copied. So just go to this and create a new file, and place it here. And voila, your all of your data will be pasted here. So this is how you check Cronbach alpha of your uh, data. Similarly, you can do this to all of your other variables. Just click Analyze, Scale, Reliability Analysis, and in order to unselect all of these selected items, on the right box, click on the first one, then press Shift and hold, click on the last one and press this arrow key. All of these items will be unselected and shifted towards the left box. Then scroll down and select all the other variables like these. Press Shift, hold, and all of them will be selected. And shift up to the right box. The option is selected while you analyze the previous Cronbach alpha will already be selected. You don't need to just see them again and again. Just press OK, and your second result will appear just beneath the first result. Again, you can interpret it as I told you earlier, and just copy and paste them. And here my Cronbach alpha is a bit high. The Cronbach alpha can be high. It can be exceptionally high if your theory proves it, or if your theory states that it should be high. Otherwise, it should be ranged between 0.75 or 0.85 or somewhere near. So that's it. This is how you check Cronbach alpha of your data. So I hope you learned something new and enjoyed this video. And that's it. I will see you inshallah next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.